Yo, welcome to this video, guys. So how have I made over $5 million so far with adult marketing? I'm turning 23 years old very, very soon here in a few days. And I'm just going to talk about how I've made, that much money. And it's harder than you think, but also easier than you think. And in the adult marketing industry and everything like that, you don't have to promote adult offers. You can promote anything. And so, but a lot of the money's made from being congruent with the traffic it's on. So the traffic source is adult, so I promote adult offers. I did more of that last year, like a lot more. This year I'm doing a little bit less of it because but if I want to flip cash quick, I'll do it. But the whole industry is crazy. That's all I can say, just because it is just such cheap traffic. I mean, it costs like nothing for the traffic. And the the amount of impressions you can get per dollar spent, it's better than any other traffic source you could ever pay for, including YouTube and Facebook and everything. And so it's just so cheap. And so you can get tons of brand awareness around anything, because per dollar spent, you're getting thousands of people seeing your ad. And so you can build a lot of brand awareness for something in whatever country you want. So as an affiliate marketer, that's what I've done to reach that result. And you can check out other videos on the channel, see results and stuff that I've shown, documented my journey over time. But $5 million, that is not all profit. I would say the profit probably around 3 million. Maybe it's a 2x ROI, maybe 2.5 million. But yeah, that's around what the return on investment is, which is really good, considering I'm just flipping cash quick there, just direct linking to affiliate offers. And so that's the strategy. The strategy is find really high converting offers, offers that just crush it. And then you want to split test a bunch of ads and a bunch of the targeting that you can do. And then you want to run with whatever does the best. And so you look at your data that you get feedback on, basically the numbers, you look at the analytics, and then you're going to make a smart decision based off what you see. So if one ad is doing better than all the rest of the ads, you double down on that. And when you're testing a bunch of different offers that you handpicked and you find that are good, then you just literally run with the best offers that are doing the best. And then if there's one that just outperforms everything, you want to scale that as quick as possible. And this is my strategy. This is what I do. This is how affiliate marketing works, man. Especially if you're doing direct linking affiliate marketing with paid ads and not collecting emails. Not building a long-term business, collecting emails and building an audience and customers of your own. This is how you do it. And so you need to have a test budget of a few $1,000 all the way up to $30,000 or more, okay? And that's just to test like 10 different offers with 10 different ads, well, 5 to 10 different ads, and then you can have like 3 to 5 different ad sets. And it's way more simple than most people think, and it's worth it because most people in a career working a job, they make less than 6 figures a year or around that amount, or way less, like 50,000 a year. And you can work this and work smart, work hard, and make it happen, and you can be retired forever, basically, because most people could retire with a few $1,000,000. But at that point, why would you? Because you could do it again, and you could do it again, and you could endlessly make money with adult marketing. Now, if you're someone who does OnlyFans, I have had girls message me who do OnlyFans, and they ask for my help running traffic, and I just say no. But if they want to do a coaching call, they can do that. We can talk about how you can scale whatever you're doing. But yeah, if you want to build a lot of brand awareness for yourself, if you do something like OnlyFans or have your own adult offer or your own store of anything that you're drop shipping or private labeling, then you can build a ton of brand awareness leveraging adult marketing. And it's not hard to do. Actually, most traffic sources are very straightforward. Same with these adult traffic sources. And I'm talking about Traffic Junkie, ExoClick, Traffic Factory, Arrow Advertising, and all these ones, okay? Now, the top ones that I use is Traffic Junkie and ExoClick. That's where I've gotten the most results from. If you want to use anything else, go for it. And then one other thing to mention is there are traffic sources that are pop under traffic sources, okay? And pop under traffic sources are so cheap because what happens is per 1,000 people, it's like a few bucks who actually land on your page. And so what happens is someone clicks a random link on a website and they'll be popped under to a new tab or a new window, basically a new tab. And that's a click that you just bought. You don't have to make any ads or anything. But the thing about this traffic is people don't trust the traffic because they just got redirected randomly to something they didn't intentionally click for. And so you could call it junk traffic. Even sometimes people call it bot traffic. But that builds a lot of brand awareness as well. And when you have an offer that you're crushing it with, you might as well scale to pop under advertising and other ad formats, okay? And this is how you scale something fast. But you want to scale once you have something profitable. You want to scale at least within a month time frame to as big as it can get until other affiliate marketers copy what you're doing, okay? Because affiliate marketers will do that. They will literally copy you. And so what I learned from my mentors when I first got started was, scale, 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 and have a lot of cash flow to help you out and make this happen. So that's what I've done. And that's how it's done. And so hopefully this helps everyone watching. And if you guys want to like crush it with adult marketing, I have a whole entire adult marketing program, two of them, adult marketing secrets, and then the 2.0 one. And probably there's even more methods and more videos and training inside of the Money Accelerator. So I have all adult marketing training inside there, plus way more methods and courses inside there that I've made over time. As I've documented my journey over time and wanted to share things, I just combined everything together. And I'm every month adding more and more. And at the end of this month, I have a method that's insane, that's super, super easy to do, and it's free to do. And it can make you 6 figures by you just putting in some work. And if you get lucky, you can make 6 figures and have a full-blown business for the rest of your life. And it's not hard to do at all. And the method's crazy. So that's getting released at the end of this month, and then the next month after I'll have something new, and I do cash giveaways of thousands of dollars per month inside the Money Accelerator, and that's just going to grow as more people get inside the Money Accelerator. And people are loving the Money Accelerator because the Money Accelerator gives them value, knowledge, and there's just so much content inside, and great community, and you learning machines are amazing. Literally, I get messages from you guys all the time. I love the support and everything, and the Money Accelerator allows me to be motivated to share the real secrets and the real things that will make a big, big difference for you. And I'm all about, I want you guys to make money from it. Once you get inside the Money Accelerator, I give you a list of methods. I give you ways you can instantly make your money back by being an affiliate for the Money Accelerator. That's just a small portion. That's less than 1% of the whole thing. And instantly you're able to be profitable just by having a step-by-step system of how you can promote the Money Accelerator and just crush it and make a ton of money. And then I just give you a bunch of other methods. Now, this is coming from what I'm an authority and an expert in and have results in. And so I give you a bunch of methods regarding all of that. I have the golden ticket method inside there, juggernaut method. I teach sales and marketing inside there. It may seem like I'm overselling this, but anyway, it's tax write-off. There's no reason not to buy. You'd be crazy. You'd hate money is the only reason you wouldn't get this, because you're going to make a return on investment every single month that's way, way higher than you pay, because think about how disproportional knowledge can be. Knowledge is you get knowledge, and then all of a sudden, because of that knowledge, you could make millions of dollars. You could make. Now, that's not a guarantee or anything, but you could make that much money. You could make a lot of freaking money from this. So anyway, go get it now. Go buy now, because change your life. Okay, so thank you for watching, and peace out, learn machines.